to all. Hope so you all will be fine. I am your SST teacher. Today we will do reading of chapter 4, Keeping Clean of class 1. As you can see the page number 10, lesson 4, Keeping Clean. First of all, we will do reading of objectives. Students will be able to identify the ways in which they keep themselves clean. Recognize the importance of keeping themselves clean for their health. Now students, we will do reading of these keywords as well. As you can see, dirt, cavities, gums, dust. Now students, we will do reading of chapter. Adil and his friends are playing in the park. It's getting dark and time to go home. When Adil gets home, his mother says, "Wash your hands with soap and water." Adil says, "Mother, why do I have to wash my hands?" Mother says, "There is a lot of dirt on your hands." Adil looks at his hands and says, "Yes, I got dirt on my hands. I must wash them." He washes his hand with soap and water and dries them with a towel. Do you wash your hands with soap and water? Adil always keeps himself clean. That make him healthy and fit. Students, on page 11, look at the pictures below. Adil explains how he keeps himself neat and clean. As you can see the first one picture, I brush my teeth in the morning and evening. It does not make cavities in my teeth. The second one picture, I take a bath daily. It keeps my body clean. And the third one picture shows, I trim my nails once a week. It keeps my nails dirt free. So students, we will also read about the recap. We keep ourselves clean to stay healthy. We can keep clean and healthy by washing hands, brushing teeth, taking a bath, clipping nails, etc. How you all? I hope so you all will be fine. Today I am here with a new topic which is keeping clean. So student, as you can see the flashcard on board, here are some differences between clean and dirty. Students, as you can see this paper, these are clean. Similarly, if you keep yourself clean, then you will look neat and tidy. But if you will not take care about your cleanness, then you will look untidy and look messy. So students, it is very important to keep yourself clean because it is very important for your health and for your life. Because of these things, you will lead a happy life. Now students, before starting our topic, I would like to tell some new words as you can see on the board. Why I teach these words to you? I teach these words to you in order to improve your reading, in order to improve your concept, and in order to improve your vocabulary. So students, let's read these words. Dirt, cavities, germs, dust, healthy, and soap. So these are the new words. It will make easy the whole chapter for you. Now let's move to the other topic, which is hygienic means. How will you observe these hygienic means? Means how to keep yourself clean. Here are some pictures which will show you that how you will keep yourself clean. Here we can see the first picture, which is, as you can see this picture, shampoo, toothbrush and hairbrush. So students, why we use this thing and for what purpose? Yes students, I will tell you. This is a shampoo and we use to take bath. Why you should take bath? As you know students, nowadays summer season is going on. So in order to remove dirt, in order to remove sweating on your body, you have to take bath at least once in a day and on regular basis. And then toothbrush. Why we should do toothbrush? As you know students, that we eat something and we drink something on daily basis. Then some food particles remains left in our teeth. If we will not do brush, then these food particles will be changed into germs and will it lead to cavities. And due to cavities, our teeth will destroy and will break down. Then we can't eat properly. So it is very important to do brush, to teeth your brush. And then hair brush. Students, in order to impress your personality, to appreciate you by others, then you should comb your hair, you should pin up your hair, and you should make clean your personality. Then will other person will appreciate you and always love you, and more friends will gather around you. Okay? So in order to make more friends, you have to keep yourself clean. Now students, another thing is washing hands. Yes student, it is very important before eating anything. Either you are doing lunch or dinner or breakfast, you should wash your hands before and after meeting, because we touch certain things and we don't know about those germs, and these germs transfer to our hands, and when we eat something, these germs pass in our body, and then what happens? We become ill, we become unhealthy, and it is then very dangerous to our life. Washing, it is also another important thing. Always wash things before using. Whether you use food materials, like if you want to drink water, then always wash glass before drinking water. If you want to eat something and you put on a plate, so just before eating anything, you should wash the food material as well as the plate too. Okay students. So, and another thing is always keep in mind that you have to clean the environment too. I always usually saw the students, then whenever they eat something, whether they drink something, and they put trash on the land. And what happened? Then all our surrounded areas look messy, look dirty. It's very bad habit. So keep an eye and observe these things, that always keep clean the surrounded area, whether your home, whether your street, or whether your school. Okay, being a Muslim, it is obligation on us, because faith is half, cleanness is the half faith. So students, if you will observe these all things, then you will lead a healthy life. But if you will not observe these all things, what will happen? You will become ill. As you can see the girl eat unhealthy food. What happened? The pain in her tummy begins. And if you eat much more and more sweets and chocolates and juicy things, like the sweet in these materials are in excessive amount, then what will happen? Your teeth will decay. And it's very dangerous to your teeth and your mouth. And if you will not keep yourself clean, what will happen? You will look messy, you will look dirty, and everybody will hate you, no one will make you a friend. So student, these were all about keeping clean. You must observe these things. These are the objective as well. Identify the ways in which they keep themselves clean, and you will come to know about the importance of your health. Okay students, this was all about my lecture. Thank you. So students, as we have done the explanation of chapter 4, now we will do exercise of the same chapter. So students, open your book, page number 11. We will do exercise of chapter number 4, keeping clean. And as you can see, the question number 1, why does Adil wash his hand? We will do this question as you can see on board, why does Adil wash his hand? So I will answer it to you. Why does Adil wash his hand? Adil wash his hand to remove dirt. Actually students, these questions are one word answer. So we will answer briefly. And now the second question in the same chapter, how do you keep yourself neat and clean? And as you can see on the board, how do you keep yourself neat and clean? So student, I will answer it to you. We can keep ourselves clean and neat by brush our teeth, as you can see, by brush our teeth, and number B is by wash our hands. So students, these were your question answer, and now we will move toward another topic of filling the blanks. So students, now we have another question number B, which is choose the correct option, as you can see in a book. So the first one blank is, the correct option is, we wash our hand with dash. You have given 3 options and you will choose the correct one or right one option, right? So student, as you can see on the board, the first one which I read in your book, we wash our hands with dash. The 3 options were given to you: toothpaste, shampoo, soap. Through which thing you will wash your hands? So student, you have to choose the right one, and the right one option is soap. Which one? Soap. We wash our hands with soap. So this was a right option for the first one option. Now the second one is, we can clip our nails with a dash. The 3 options same as given like the first one. And what was it? What is it? Nail cutter, hairbrush and toothbrush. Now we will also pick the right option from this one. As you can see on board, we can clip our nails with a dash. So through which we can clip our nails? Yes, the right option is nail cutter. Among the 3 options, the right option is nail cutter. So students, this was all about your exercise. Now let's move toward homework. I will give you some homework to you. Students, homework of new word. You will learn new words as I explain it to you in the explanation. New words. So student, there were some new words which I explained it to you, and those words you will learn in order to improve your vocabulary or concept or reading skill. And another one thing is, which I am giving to you, this one is worksheet activity. The important thing of this homework is worksheet activity. You will do the worksheet, as you can download the other worksheet related to the topic, but I am just giving you a sample. You will write the name and your parent name, and then you will fill this worksheet. For example, the question A is, write one sentence to say what each object is used for. I already explained it to you in the explanation. Now you will fill it. And the second one, write the names of 2 brains. 2 brains. You will write the brands of these things. That of which brands you use soap, of which brands you use washing powder or shampoo. You will just write the names of the brand. So students, is it clear to you? This is your homework activity. This was all about homework. Student, this is all about chapter keeping clean, and I hope you learn a lot and new things as well. Thank you.